Your heart stops a second you hear that sickening crack. Your expensive smartphone just hit the pavement because your 5-year-old wanted to take a picture of a ladybug. It is a universal panic for parents everywhere. We want our kids to be creative. We want them to explore the world through a lens. But we also want our own electronics to stay in one piece. Most of us end up with a phone gallery full of 400 blurry shots of a carpet or a close-up of someone's kneecap. It is time to stop handing over your phone and start thinking about a dedicated tool for those little hands. This little device is surprisingly powerful for something designed for children. It packs a 48 megapixel sensor. That is a massive jump from those grainy toy cameras we had years ago. It shoots in high definition video too. Your kid can film their own movies with real clarity. It uses a high quality sensor similar to what you find in standard digital cameras. This is not just a plastic toy with a fake lens. It even has a built-in spotlight. This helps a lot when the lighting is dim or they are playing inside on a rainy day. There's also image stabilization. Kids are not known for having steady hands. They wiggle and they jump and they run. This feature helps smooth out those shaky handheld shots. The final image actually looks like something recognizable rather than a smudge of colors. The 16 times digital zoom lets them get close to nature. They can photograph a bird in a tree without needing to stand right under it. It has a continuous shooting mode. This is perfect for capturing a pet running across the yard. If they want to be in the photo themselves, they can use the self-timer. There are even creative filters built right in. They can switch to vintage looks or classic black and white to feel like a real artist. The screen on the back is nearly 3 inches wide. It is nice and bright so they can see exactly what they are doing in real time. The focus system is a great teaching tool. It uses a half press on the shutter to lock the focus. Then a full press takes the shot. This is the exact same way professional cameras work. It teaches them the rhythm of real photography. The design is very ergonomic. The buttons are simple, and the menu is not a maze of technical jargon. A child between 5 and 13 can pick this up and figure it out in minutes. One of the best parts is the battery. It is a built-in rechargeable unit. You do not have to mess around with AA batteries that leak or get installed the wrong way. One charge can last over a month of regular use. When it finally runs low, you just plug it in with a standard charging cable. No more hunting for spares in the junk drawer. Getting the photos off the camera is actually easy. It comes with a 32 gigabyte memory card already inside. You get a card reader and a cable in the box. You just plug it into your computer and move the files over. It is a seamless process. The whole package is really thoughtful. You get a lanyard to keep it around their neck. There is a storage bag to keep it safe. It even comes in a nice gift box. This device bridges the gap between a toy and a real piece of technology. It is durable, simple, and gives them a sense of ownership over their own art. They stop asking for your phone and you stop worrying about cracked screens. It is a win for everyone.